Alright, I'm going to show you how to install the Copper Canyon Endurance Run mapping application on a Android phone. Notice right now I don't have anything. If I search for Copper Canyon, I don't get anything in my apps. Now I'm going to open up Chrome and I'm going to go to this address, karimageo.com/CCER. And it opens up in the web browser. After a couple seconds, you should get this. Down at the bottom, add CCR to home screen. If you don't get that, you can tap the ellipsis and you'll see there's an option there to install app. You can click that as well. It'll ask you if you want to install the app. You'll click install and that's all it takes. And now if I search for Copper Canyon, I see we have it right there in my apps. If I click on it, it opens up in full screen mode and it'll work offline as well. I'm going to put my phone in airplane mode, so I no longer have an internet connection. It doesn't matter. If I look for my Copper Canyon app and click it, I still get access to the app even offline. Now if I want to actually add it to my home screen, I can find it in my apps. Just click on it and drag it to the home screen, and now it's easily accessible. If I want to get it off my phone, I can just do a long press and then click uninstall and it'll be gone just like that.